Hey y'all, hey, come here. We having breakfast today, me and Mamoot. And I was just asking him how he felt about going back to school. So I said, do you mind if I record you? He said no, so, excuse me. I'm about to ask him. Hey Moot, say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so wipe your mouth. You got food on your mouth. Get a napkin. Come on now. Lord. You're definitely not camera ready today. But it's cool. No, I asked you, so what do you think about going back to school this semester?
Well, if I ever do go back to school, I couldn't wear a mask for 8 hours, because if I do, it'll be hard trying to breathe for 8 hours, because you have to take it off when you go to lunch, and then you have to put it back on when you're done. And then you have to wear it for 8 hours, and that's going to be hard.
Right, sitting down trying to focus, you got the mask on, it could be hot, could be cold, could be uncomfortable. Then you got, how do you feel about the separation of the desks? Like they might actually have to have y'all 6 feet apart, or with the plexiglass, like the little glass. How you feel about that?
Well,
Hey Pope, I was doing an interview with Nick because I asked him how did he feel about the upcoming school semester, and what did he think? Like, should he just be homeschooled, or, you know, should he go back in with the intentions of wearing the mask? And this was his idea. Like, I wanted to get his perspective on it. So he said, no, he don't want to sit in the classroom for 8 hours with a mask on. He said he didn't want to have to eat lunch with the mask off, then put it right back on. It was just too hard for him. So what I'm considering is really homeschooling him full time and just let him go off of life experiences outside of, you know, the school. Because everything they teach them in school, clearly it should have been something that we've done differently. Go ahead. You can finish talking. Go ahead. Or you gonna bite your burger? Go ahead. We can end it. Are you done? You done talking? So all you wanted to say was, you know, you just want to be homeschooled. You really don't want to go back to school and have to wear a mask for 8 hours.
and then you are wearing a mask and trying to study, and you all 6 feet apart, and you can't take the mask off, and you're working. So, wearing a mask 8 hours, trying to think what the question is, and if it's hot or cold, then that's bad.
All right. I got you. I'm going to post you on my YouTube channel too, okay?
No.
What? These are real life moments. You know, I'm my own reality show. So if I can gotta record myself and record people around me, you're a part of my reality show. This is my show. I don't gotta have no producers, you know, camera guys. I am my own camera person.
Okay. End it.
He said he's done, y'all. He done talking to y'all. So I'm gonna go back to breakfast. We'll wrap later, okay?